Hello students. So today I am doing class 10 geometry portion. In the last online class also we are doing geometry. So today we'll do from Madhyamik Question Papers. Okay. So this is from Madhyamik Pariksha 2017. Question number 4, number 5. So it carries 2 marks. The question is the perimeter of two similar triangles. So this question is from similarity of two triangles, right? So if the two triangles are similar, you know that their corresponding sides are proportional. So the two triangles are also similar if their corresponding angles are equal. If the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then these two triangles are said to be similar. Okay, and also if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are also proportional, right? So here the perimeter of two similar triangles are 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So there are two similar triangles. So for the first triangle, what is the perimeter of the first triangle? It is 20 centimeter. And what is the perimeter of the second triangle? It is 16 centimeter. So this is given, right? So if the length of one side of the first triangle is 9 centimeter, one of the sides of the first triangle is given as 9 centimeter. Then find the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. You have to find out the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. Okay. So now this is one of the triangles. This is another triangle. These are two similar triangles. And suppose this length is A1, this length is A2. This length is B1, this length is B2. So this corresponding, this length is, suppose this length is C1, the corresponding length here is C2. That means these two triangles are similar. What do you mean by similar? Their corresponding sides are proportional. That means you can write A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. So now the length of one side of the first triangle is given as 9 centimeter. So this is the first triangle. Its one side is given. What is this one side? It is 9 centimeter. Let us take this A1 as 9 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. So if you take this A1 as 9 centimeter, which is the corresponding side for the second triangle here? Which is the corresponding side of the second triangle? Now this is A2. If A1 is equal to 9 centimeter, which is the corresponding side of the second triangle? That is A2. You have to get the length of the corresponding side. That is, you have to find out the length of A2. Okay. So if A1 is equal to 9 centimeter, what will be the length of A2? It is also given that what is the perimeter of the first triangle? Perimeter of the first triangle is, this is 20 centimeter. And what is the perimeter of the second triangle? It is given as, this is your 16 centimeter. Is that clear? So now now this is the solution. So what do you mean by perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter of the triangle means in a triangle there are three sides. Sum of these three sides of the triangle will give you the perimeter. Sum of the three sides of the triangle will give you the perimeter of the triangle. That is, A1 plus B1 plus C1 is the perimeter of the triangle. What is the perimeter of this triangle? The sum of length of the three sides will give you the perimeter of the second triangle. That is, perimeter of the triangle will be A2 plus B2 plus C2. So it is given as 16 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this triangle? A1 plus B1 plus C1, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Now since the two triangles are similar, comma, then what can you write? Then their corresponding sides are proportional. For this side, the corresponding side for this A1 will be A2. The corresponding side for C1 will be C2. Corresponding side for B1 will be B2 here. They are proportional. So here you can write A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. Now since you know the perimeter of the first triangle as well as perimeter of the second triangle, You know perimeter of the triangle means sum of all the three sides of the triangle will give you the perimeter of the triangle. So by addendo you can write here, you can add all these sides a1 plus b1 plus c1, so that you can write 20. So by addendo you can add all those numerators. You can write here a1 plus b1 plus c1 divided by, in the denominator also you can write a2 plus b2 plus c2. Now since a1 is equal to 9 centimeter, its corresponding side here is a2, you should get the length of a2 now. Okay, so let us take a1 as 9 centimeter, that is 9 upon, you should get the corresponding side a2, which is equal to, now you can equate first and last only. So equating first and last, you can get the value for a2, that is the corresponding side of the second triangle. Okay, so this is 9 divided by a2 is equal to, what is a1 plus b1 plus c1? It is a1 plus b1 plus c1, that is the perimeter of the first triangle, that is 20. So this is 20 divided by, what is a2 plus b2 plus c2? This is the perimeter of the second triangle. What is the perimeter of the second triangle? That is 16. So from here you can easily get the value for a2, so that you can get the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle. Okay, so now next, so let us write here, or this is 9 divided by a2 is equal to, you can cancel here, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, so it is 5 upon 4. Now we can solve it, cross multiply it, so it is 5a2 is equal to 9 4s are 36, or a2 is equal to, this is 36 by 5. Now you can divide it, you know how to divide it, isn't it? So 5 7s are 35, 6 minus 5 is 1, 0.0, so it is 5 2s are 10. So this is 5 2s are 10, right? So what is a2 here? Therefore this is a2 is equal to 7.2 centimeter. So what is the length of the corresponding side of the second triangle? Therefore corresponding, let us write length of the corresponding side, length of the corresponding side, length of the corresponding side of the second triangle, of the second triangle is equal to 7.2 centimeters. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now this is from the same Madhyamik Pariksha 2017, right? This is from Madhyamik Pariksha 2017. So this is question number 5 of question number 4. Now the question is, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. One of the angles of triangle ABC is 90 degree. AB is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 12 centimeter. So you have to find out the length of the circumradius of the triangle ABC. Now what is meant by circumradius of the triangle ABC? You should know it. Suppose there is a circle, right? Suppose there is a circle and there is a triangle. This is the triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is inside the circle, right? And the circle passes through the three vertices of the triangle ABC. So here ABC is a triangle and the circle passes through the three vertices of the triangle ABC. That is, the circle is outside the triangle and this circle is known as circumcircle. This circle is known as circumcircle. What is a circumcircle? The circle which passes through the three vertices of the triangle ABC is known as the circumcircle, and the center of the circumcircle is known as the circumcenter. the center of this circumcircle is known as what? Circumcenter. तो यो O लाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौं? सर्कमसेन्टर भनेर भन्छौं. O लाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौं रे? सर्कमसेन्टर भनेर भन्छौं. ठीक छ? सो O र A जोइन भयो अनि O र B जोइन भयो अनि OC पनि जोइन भइगयो. These are the radii of the same circle, and you know that the radii of the same circle are always equal, and this radius is known as the circumradius. यो जुन चाहिँ circumcircle को radius छ त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? Circumradius भनेर भन्छौं. Is that understood now? So now let's do this question now. So I think you have understood circumcircle, what is circumradius and what is circumcenter, right? So now we'll do this problem now. So here in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. Let us draw the figure. So in this case, triangle ABC, in this case triangle ABC is a right angle triangle because in the question it is given that angle ABC is 90 degree. That is A, B and this is C. This is your 90 degree. Right? So what is the length of AB? Length of AB is 5 centimeter. And what is the length of BC? It is given as 12 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of the circumradius of the triangle ABC. So what is meant by circumradius? That is, the radius of the circumcircle is known as the circumradius. That means you have to draw the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. I just told you about the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. What is the circumcircle of the triangle? The circle which passes through the three vertices of the triangle ABC is known as the circumcircle. Let us draw the circumcircle first. So this is the circumcircle of the triangle ABC, right? And now, which is the circumradius here now? This ABC is a right angle triangle and this circle is the circumcircle of the triangle. That is, this circle passes through the three vertices of the triangle ABC. Now, which is the circumradius here? You know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, right? Since this angle ABC is 90 degree, that means this AC, that is the circle, below this AC will be the semicircle and the circle above this AC will also be the semicircle, isn't it? That means AC is the diameter. That is, AC is the diameter of the circle because you know that we did one theorem that proved that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Since this angle ABC is a right angle, so this AC will be the diameter because AC diameter will divide circle into two parts. This is one of the semicircle. Above AC, this is another semicircle. And you know that angle in the semicircle is a right angle. So since angle ABC is a right angle, so this AC will be the diameter of the circle and the midpoint of this diameter AC will give you the circumcenter of the triangle, that is O. Now in this case you have to get the circumradius of the triangle ABC. That is, circumradius of the triangle ABC means you have to get the length of OA. You should get the length of OA. This OA will be the radius of the circle. That is the circumradius of the triangle ABC. So how can you get the length of AC now? You know that ABC is a right angle triangle. You can use Pythagoras theorem. We proved Pythagoras theorem in the previous theorem, isn't it? That is h square is equal to b square plus p square. So which is hypotenuse here? The side opposite to the angle 90 degree is known as the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. This is perpendicular, this is base, or you may take this as perpendicular and this is base. Okay. So from the figure we can write, h square is equal to p square plus b square. You know that, isn't it? What is h whole square here? This is your AC square. What is p whole square? Perpendicular whole square. That is 5 whole square. This is your 5 whole square plus what is base whole square? 12 whole square, right? So, or this is your AC square is equal to 25 plus 144, or AC square is equal to, this is your 169, or what is the length of AC now? It is root over 169. So what is AC is equal to? That is your 13. That is, what is the length of the diameter AC? That is your 13 centimeter. So let us write here, length of the diameter, length of the diameter is equal to 13 centimeter. Now in this case you have to find out the circumradius of the triangle ABC. What do you mean by circumradius? That is half of the diameter. In this case is known as the circumradius of the triangle ABC. That is half of this diameter will give you the circumradius of the triangle ABC. So therefore circumradius of the triangle ABC is equal to half of this diameter. That means 13 divided by 2. So you can divide it. 2 ले 13 लाई divide करता है 2 6 are 12. 1 is the remainder 0.0. That is 2 5 are 10. You know how to divide it, isn't it? So which is equal to, what is the answer here? It is 6.5 centimeter. So circumradius of the triangle ABC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So I think you have understood it. So let us do the next problem. Now this question is from same Madhyamik Pariksha 2017. That is 4 number 7. This question also carries 2 marks. Okay. So in triangle ABC, the length of AB is given as 2a minus 1 centimeter. AC is equal to 2 root over 2a centimeter. And BC is equal to 2a plus 1 centimeter. You have to write down the value of angle BAC. Right? So let us write down the value for angle BAC. So how can you find it? You have to find it, angle BAC, right? So let us draw the triangle here, any triangle. Let us draw any triangle out here. This is A, this is B, and this is C. You have to get the angle BAC. You have to get the value of angle BAC. What is this angle BAC? You have to find it, okay? So what is the length of AB? It is given as 2a minus 1 centimeter. What is the length of AC? It is 2 root over 2a centimeter. And what is the length of BC? It is given as 2 plus 1 centimeter. Okay. Here AB is equal to 2a minus 1 centimeter, AC is equal to 2 root 2a centimeter, and BC is equal to 2a plus 1 centimeter. So let us write here, that is AB is equal to 2a minus 1 centimeter. Let us square both the sides. So if you square both the sides, you are getting 2a minus 1 whole square. So if you square the left hand side, you have to square the right hand side also. Okay. Or AB square is equal to, you know the formula, a minus b whole square. That is a whole square minus twice a into b plus b whole square, right? A square minus 2ab plus b whole square. So what do we get here? So that is AB square is equal, this is your 4a square minus 4a plus 1. So this is your AB square. Again, let us find out AC square. What is AC here? What is AC here? It is 2 root over 2a square both the sides. What do we get? AC square is equal to 2 root over 2a whole square, right? Or AC square is equal to, how much is it now? What is 2 square? 4. What is root 2 whole square? You know that it is 2. What is a whole square? A square. That means 4 to the 8a square. This is your 8a square. So I think you have understood it. Okay. As the next one, you get BC square. So what is BC here? So now let us write here. Now what is BC is equal to, what is the length of BC? It is 2a plus 1 centimeter, right? Now we square both the sides here also. That is your BC square is equal to 2a plus 1 whole square, right? So BC square is equal to, what is here? It is 2a plus 1 whole square. We are squaring both the sides, right? So let us find out this value. That is BC square is equal to, this is, what is a whole square? 2a whole square plus 2 into, what is a? 2a, and what is b? 1, and what is b whole square? That is 1 whole square. Okay? Or BC square is equal to, this is your 4a square plus 4a plus 1. That is your BC square. So I think you have understood it. Now here in this case, if we add this AB square plus AC square, let us check what is AB square plus AC square. 4a square, 4a square plus 8a square. AC square is that is your what happened? It is 2a minus 1. AB is 2a minus 1, AC is 2 root 2a, and BC is 2a plus 1 centimeter. Okay. Now in this case, it is your 8a. So it is 8a square. And if you add those AB square plus AC square, it will be 8a square. So I think this question is, it should be root over 2a, I think. Oh, this question is wrong. I have written here wrong. It is root over 2a, square root of 2a, right? So it is square root of 2a. The question was wrong, sorry. AC is 2 within square root 2a centimeter, right? The question is 2 within root 2a centimeter. Is that clear? So here also 2 square root of 2a. 2 square root of 2a. That means it is 2 into root over 2a whole square means only 2a. Square root of 2a whole square means only 2a. Right? So it will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and root over a whole square is also a. That is AC square is equal to 8a. Okay? So now what happens here is, if you add these two, AB square plus AC square, so 4a square minus 4a plus 1 plus 8a minus 4a will give you 4a. So it will be 4a square plus 4a plus 1, which is equal to BC square. Is that clear? So now what will you do here is, let us add these two, AB square plus AC square. That is AB square plus AC square is equal to, what is AB square here? It is 4a square minus 4a plus 1 plus, what is AC square? AC square is 8a, right? So which is equal to 4a square. Now these are the two similar terms, plus 8a minus 4a is plus 4a plus 1, right? So now this is 4a square plus 4a plus 1. This is also 4a square plus 4a plus 1. So that you can equate BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, because these two values are equal. So you can equate those left hand side. That is, since these two values are equal, so BC square must be equal to AB square plus AC square. That is, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. This is just like your H square is equal to B square plus P square, isn't it? This is just like your H square is equal to B square plus P square. That means BC is the hypotenuse. BC is the hypotenuse. AC is either perpendicular or base, or AB is either perpendicular or base. If you take AB as the base, AC will be the perpendicular. Or if you take AB as the perpendicular, AC will be the base. So this is a right angle triangle with BC as the hypotenuse. So here BC is the hypotenuse, right? So BC is the hypotenuse here. So BC is the hypotenuse in this case. Now we have to get the angle BAC. What is angle BAC now? The angle opposite to the hypotenuse will be 90 degree. That means angle BAC will be equal to 90 degree. That is your answer. That is, what is the answer for angle BAC? Angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, because you know that the angle opposite to the side hypotenuse will be a right angle. That is, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. So in the question you have to find out angle BAC, which is equal to 90 degree. Is that understood now? So we'll do the next question now. Now we'll do the same question paper, that is MP 2017, 10 number 2. So this question carries 3 marks. This question carries 3 marks, right? So O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC and OD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that angle BOD is equal to angle BAC. So you have to draw the figure. I just told you about the circumcenter of the triangle ABC, right? So what do you mean by circumcenter of the triangle ABC? So outside the triangle ABC, you have to draw a circle. That circle is known as the circumcircle of the triangle ABC, and the center of that circle is known as the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now let us draw the figure. So while drawing a circle, you have to use compass, pencil and ruler, right? So first of all, सबभन्दा पहिला तिमीले एउटा सर्कल बनाउनु, ठीक छ? The circle बनाइसकेपछि मात्र भित्र triangle बनाउनु. You draw a triangle now. Now you draw a triangle inside the circle. Okay, so this ABC is a triangle. So ABC is a triangle inside the circle, and the circle passes through the 3 vertices of the triangle ABC, and this circle is known as the circumcircle, and the center of this circumcircle is known as the circumradius. So O is the this center is known as the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. This center O is known as the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Suppose this is O. Suppose this is O, right? So now in the question, what is given here? O is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC, we know that. Okay. Now OD is perpendicular to BC. This OD is perpendicular to BC. This is given. You have to prove that angle BOD, that means join O and B. Join O and B. This angle BOD is equal to angle BAC. You have to prove that this angle BOD is equal to angle BAC. You should prove it. Is that clear now? So let us prove it. So what is given out here? What is given? Given here is O is the circumcenter. O is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Of the triangle ABC. And also it is given that OD is perpendicular to BC. OD is perpendicular to BC, right? To prove, what is to be proved out here? What is to be proved here? You have to prove angle BOD is equal to angle BAC. So let us do the construction here. Let us do the construction now. So in this case, O comma B are joined. O comma B and O comma C are joined. Right? So O comma B joined bhayo पहिला नै O र C पनि join गर्नु. O and C are also joined. Okay? Now proof. Now we will prove that this angle BOD is equal to angle BAC. Okay? So we have joined OC also. So now from the figure, it is clear that this OB is equal to OC. So proof OB is equal to OC, being radii of same circle. Being radii of same circle. So these are equal, right? If these two are equal, these angles must be equal. That is, angle OBD is equal to angle OCD. That means these two angles are also equal. And these two are 90 degree. They are also equal. That is, angle ODB is equal to angle ODC. Angle ODC is equal to angle ODB because both are 90 degree. These two angles are also equal. So remaining angles are also equal. That means we can write again angle BOD, again angle BOD is equal to angle COD. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. Now suppose this BKC is an arc, okay? So in the previous theorem we did that is angle BOC is the angle at the center O of the circle subtended by the arc BKC. Angle BAC is the angle at the remaining part of the circle subtended by the same arc BKC. So what can you write here? That is angle BOC is equal to twice angle BAC. We know that from a theorem, isn't it? We did that theorem. So let us write it here. Now you have to write here. So let us write here. Angle BOC is the angle BOC is the angle. So this question carries 3 marks, okay? Therefore, angle BOC is the angle at the center O, of the circle subtended by the arc, which arc? BKC. Subtended by the arc BKC. Again, angle BAC is the angle at the remaining part Angle BAC is the angle at the remaining part. Angle BAC is the angle at the remaining part of the circle subtended by the same arc. Subtended by the same arc BKC. Subtended by the same arc BKC. Okay. So what can you write? Therefore we can write that is angle BOC is equal to twice angle BAC. I think you have understood it. Okay. So again this angle BOC can be written as angle BOD plus this angle plus that angle, isn't it? That is angle BOD plus angle COD. Plus angle COD is equal to twice angle BAC. I think you have understood it. Just now we proved that these two angles are also equal. That is angle BOD plus, so instead of angle COD you can write angle BOD because these two angles are also equal, right? So angle BOD is equal to twice angle BAC, right? What is angle BOD plus angle BOD? That is twice angle BOD is equal to twice angle BAC. From these two sides you can cancel these two. So what do we get? That is angle BOD is equal to angle BAC. That is proved. So we have proved this theorem. Okay. So now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is Madhyamik Pariksha 2018. Question number 4, number 6. So this question carries 2 marks. Okay. The question is the radius of a circle with center O is 5 centimeter. A circle is given with the center O and its radius is 5 centimeter. And P is a point at a distance of 13 centimeter from the point O. So here you should take P is a point, you should take P as a point outside the circle which is at a distance of 13 centimeter from the center O. So this 13 centimeter is greater than the radius of the circle. So obviously this point P is outside the circle which is at a distance of 13 centimeter from the point O. So in this case it is given that PQ and PR are two tangent to this circle. Now we have to draw two tangent to the circle, that is PQ and PR. And you have to find out the area of the quadrilateral PQOR. Okay, so let us draw the figure now. So this is the circle whose center is the point O, right? And here the radius of the circle is given as 5 centimeter. And P is a point outside the circle which is at a distance of 13 centimeter from the center O. And you have to draw two tangents, PQ and PR. This PQ is drawn tangent to the circle, and also PR is another tangent to the circle with the center O. Okay, and these Q and R are known as the points of contact. So what is my point of contact? The point where the tangent touches the circle is known as the point of contact. Okay, so now PQ is drawn tangent to the circle, so Q is the point of contact here, and also you join O and Q and O and R. So these are the radii of the same circle, that means they are equal. This is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, so now PQ is a tangent to the circle at the point of contact Q, and OQ is the radius through the point of contact Q. That means OQ is perpendicular to PQ. We did this theorem in the previous class, isn't it? That is, if PQ is a tangent to the circle at the point Q and OQ is the radius through the point of contact Q, then OQ will be perpendicular to the tangent PQ. Okay. Similarly, here also R is the point of contact. PR is drawn tangent to the circle at the point of contact R, and OR is the radius through the point of contact R. So here also from the previous theorem we can write OR is perpendicular to PR. Is that clear to all of you? So these two triangles are congruent, they are equal in all respects. So why are they congruent? Why are these two triangles equal? This OP is common to both the triangle, this OQ is equal to OR, and these two tangents are also equal. That means they are equal in all respects. That means both the triangles have got the same area. So if you can get the area of the triangle POQ, then these two triangles are equal. You can easily get the area of the triangle ORP because they are equal. So get the area of the triangle POQ, you will get the area of the triangle PRO also, because if you get the area of the triangle POQ as 15 square centimeter, the area of the triangle POR will be 15 centimeter. Then adding these two area, you can get the area of the quadrilateral PQOR. Is that clear? So let us find out the area of the triangle POQ. So in order to get the area of the triangle POQ, you should know the length of PQ. So PQ will be the perpendicular, PQ is the tangent also, isn't it? So now, since this is 90 degree, since this angle PQO is 90 degree, the side opposite to the 90 degree will be, the side opposite to this 90 degree will be the hypotenuse. That is, OP will be the hypotenuse. Okay. So in right angled triangle, PQO. So in this case, OP will be the hypotenuse, because the side opposite to 90 degree will be the hypotenuse. OP is equal to 13 centimeter, OQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to get the length of PQ. So you know that H square is equal to B square plus P square. In this case, what is H whole square? That is your 13 whole square is equal to, what is B square? B square is 5 whole square. And what is P square? P square is PQ square. Right? Let us simplify it. 169 is equal to 25 plus this is your PQ square, or 169 minus 25 is equal to PQ square, or you can write 144 is equal to PQ square, or what is the value for PQ only? That is square root of 144. That is, what is the value for PQ? That is, PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. So here you should write PQ is 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter because these two tangents are of equal length. Okay. So now you can get the area of the triangle POQ. So let us get the area of the triangle POQ now. So therefore, area of the triangle POQ, is equal to. So now this is the hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base, or you may take it as base and this as perpendicular. So what is the area of the triangle POQ? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. This is the area of the right angle triangle POQ, right? So which is equal to, this is your half into, what is the base? 5. What is the height? 12. So 2 6 are 12, which is equal to, this is your 30 square centimeter. So you know that these two triangles are of equal area. These two triangles are of equal area. If the area of the triangle POQ is 30 square centimeter, area of the triangle POR is also 30 square centimeter. So how can you get the area of the quadrilateral PQOR? You have to multiply this 30 by 2 so that you can get the area of the triangle PQOR. So write down, therefore, area of the quadrilateral PQOR is equal to, this 30 should be multiplied by 2, which is equal to 60. What is the unit? Square centimeter. So this is the answer. Is that understood? Now we'll do the next problem. Now we are doing the next question, that is from Madhyamik Question 2018, for number 7. So this question also carries 2 marks. The question is, the two chords AB and CD of a circle are at equal distance from the center O. So in the circle there are 2 chords. The 2 chords are AB and CD, and they are at equal distance from the center of the circle. Okay, and O is the center of the circle here. So if angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, angle AOB is given as 60 degree, and CD is equal to 6 centimeter, then you have to calculate the length of the radius of the circle. Is that clear? So let us draw the figure here. So this is the circle. This is the circle with the center O. Right? So there are 2 chords AB and CD which are at equal distance from the center O. Which are at equal distance from the center O. This is A, B, C, D. So AB and CD are the 2 chords of the circle which are at a distance, which are at equal distance from the center of the circle. That is, the distance of the chord AB from O, that is the distance of the chord AB from the center O is equal to the distance of the chord CD from the center O. That is, AB and CD, these are the 2 chords which are at equal distances from the center O. That means from the theorem we can write down that AB is equal to CD. That means these 2 chords are of equal length. Now here, if angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, so angle AOB means you have to join O and A and join O and B, right? And angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. This angle is given as what? This angle is given as 60 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, okay? And CD is equal to 6 centimeter. This CD is 6 centimeter. Then calculate the length of the radius of the circle. You have to get the length of OA. Is that clear? Now, this length CD is of 6 centimeter. I told you that whenever these 2 chords AB and CD are at equal distances from the center O, then we should know that this AB and CD are of equal length. That means if CD is 6 centimeter, AB is also 6 centimeter, right? And now you know that OA and OB are the radii of the same circle. That means these two sides are also equal. If these 2 sides are equal, this is an isosceles triangle. That means these 2 angles are also equal, right? Is that clear? Now let us write here, since AB and CD let us write here the two chords. The two chords, this is the solution. The two chords AB and CD are at equal distance. Are at equal distance from the center O. From the center O. From the center O. That means you can write AB is equal to CD. But what is the length of CD? CD is equal to 6 centimeter. That means AB is also 6 centimeter. Since CD is 6 centimeter, so AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Here, since CD is equal to 6 centimeter. Is that clear? And angle AOB, is equal to what? It is given as 60 degree. Angle AOB is given as 60 degree. So in this case, in triangle AOB, OA is equal to OB, isn't it? So therefore, angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. So if these two sides are equal, this is an isosceles triangle. So in the isosceles triangle, this angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. So these two angles must be equal, right? So now you have to get the radius of the circle, right? You should get the length of OA. Now, since angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, since angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, so sum of these two angles must be equal to 120 degrees, isn't it? That is, since this is 60 degree, what is the sum of these two angles? It should be 120 degree. That is, angle OAB plus angle OBA should be equal to 120 degree. Because you know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Since this angle is given as 60 degree, sum of these two angles must be 120 degree. So 120 plus 60 is 180 degree, right? But since these two angles are equal, isn't it? So, or angle OAB plus, here you can write angle OBA, you can write angle OAB instead of angle OBA. So angle OAB is equal to 120 degree. That is twice angle OAB is equal to, it is 120. Or what is angle OAB now? Angle OAB is equal to 2 goes to the right side, it goes to the denominator, so it becomes 60 degree, right? So angle OAB is equal to 60 degree. But angle OAB is equal to angle OBA, so angle OBA is also 60 degree. Is that clear? So this is your 60 degree. This is also what? 60 degree. You know that all these angles are equal. In the triangle, if all these angles are equal, this is an equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal. If this is 6 centimeter, OA is also 6 centimeter and OB is also 6 centimeter. That is, OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to what? This is your 6 centimeter. So you have to calculate the length of the radius of the circle, isn't it? So therefore, what is the radius of the circle now? Radius of the circle is equal to, what is the answer? It is 6 centimeter. So this is your answer. So I think you have understood it. So this much is for today. So you revise all the problems that we did today. So in the next class also we'll do questions from Madhyamik Question Papers. We'll do this geometry portion. Okay.